Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 11, and its title is Pari Mahal. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. And our today's lecture, lecture number 7, we will learn about comprehension, how we can comprehend a text to find different answers of short questions. So before, in English for grade 5, my dear students, in unit number 10 already you have learned about apply while reading strategies to interact with the text, to generate questions, to understand the text. Already we have learned how we can comprehend a text while reading and how we can generate different questions. So today we are going to learn further apply strategies to comprehend questions for appropriate response by marking keywords, use verbs and tenses in a variety of the following question types: factual, interpretive, inferential, personal response and open-ended questions. So today we will learn about different types of questions, that how we can put questions during comprehension paragraph and which type of questions we can ask. So today we will learn about this. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 152. So remember me, I'll remember you. Subhanallah, my dear students, this is a clear message from Allah Almighty. Allah Almighty is saying that if you will remember me, definitely I'll remember you. Okay, in return, Allah Almighty remember those people who remember Him. So how we can remember Allah Almighty? Yes, by offer prayer. Okay, so by offering prayer, we can remember Almighty Allah, and when we will offer prayer, definitely Allah Almighty will remember us. And when Allah Almighty remembers us, my dear students, and this is a big reward for us. So okay, keep remember, and you have to offer prayer 5 times regularly in a day. Okay, inshallah. So here is a question for you for pre-reading question. Discuss about Pari Mahal with your teacher. Okay, already we have learned our half chapter last day. So now we will complete this chapter, and you have to discuss about Pari Mahal, what you have got from this chapter. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Good job, my dear students. Welcome back. I hope you have discussed, that you have collected. So next we are going to start. One can enter the garden from the 4th terrace, where there are a series of entrance buildings. My dear students, we have started our half paragraph, second paragraph, where we had left. Okay, so one can enter in the garden from the 4th terrace. So last day we have learned that how many terraces are there? Yes, total 7 terraces were there, and from the 4th terrace we can get to entrance in the whole building. There is also a small spring surrounded by beautiful flowers that have been planted and well groomed in terraces. So what does the word well groomed mean? Means arranged. Arranged in a beautiful way. Entrance means an opening such as door, passage or gate. Such type of things are called entrance. When we enter anywhere, so first door, gate or any passage is called entrance. Well groomed means flowers are arranged beautifully. Got it? Next is Prince Dara's wife was Nadira Begum, also called Pari Begum. It was said that the garden was named after his wife Pari. Prince Dara was later murdered by his younger brother Aurangzeb in 1659. So my dear students, what was the name of Prince Dara's wife? Yes, her name was Nadira Begum, but she was also known as Pari Begum. Actual name was Nadira Begum, but she was known as Pari Begum. And it is said that this Mahal is also named after her death, Pari Mahal. Got it? And what happened to Prince Dara? Prince Dara was murdered. Who murdered? His younger brother Aurangzeb in 1659. Okay? And next, Aurangzeb wanted to take, why he murdered his brother? Murder means to kill someone. Okay, to kill someone intentionally. This is called murder. Got it? Here is another thing for you. Aurangzeb wanted to take control of the empire. Okay, why he murdered his brother? Because he wanted to control the empire. Prince Dara left behind the Pari Mahal, which has become a tourist spot in Kashmir. Tourist mean traveler. Okay, people who are getting visit to these places are beautiful places of any country are called tourists. Spot, a particular place, or point. Have you got, my dear students? So yes, see there. Now we are going to read which type of questions are there. Factual questions required fact-based answers. There is only one correct answer which can be verified from the text. So my dear students, now we are going to discuss about the types of different questions. So what are factual questions? Required fact means universal truth. We cannot change. Okay. When we are answering these questions, so we need fact-based answer. Got it? Okay, let's see that. What are an inferential question? Is a question that asks you to draw a logical conclusion from a passage or a text. So inferential question, what are inferential question? Inferential question, we can give overall conclusion of the text. Okay, what was the text about and how it was arranged and which detail we got from the text. This overall conclusion gives us which answer? An inferential question answer. Got it? And an interpretive question can help discover the meaning and relationship between its parts. Like keywords, to start a question include how, what, where, why, and when. Simply mean, my dear students, and interpretive questions answer the questions that we are putting by using WH family. Got it? Means question words like how, what, where, why, and when. How it happened, what was happening, and where it was happened. Such type of questions means at least why it happened and when, meaning time, asking about time. So such type of questions are called interpretive questions. Got it? Next is, in personal response, you express your own ideas and feelings about a reading. That suppose we have read this chapter, Pari Mahal. So if anyone may ask about you, from you about this chapter, so you will give your personal response that what you felt, what you got from this chapter, this text. Suppose my personal response will be different, your personal response will be different. It is related directly to an individual. Got it, my dear students? This is called personal response. And open-ended questions are questions that allow for various response options. Open-ended questions do not expect a particular answer. Got it? So open-ended questions are such type of questions where we ask and we can answer unlimited. There is no limit for such questions. Okay, such type of questions are called open-ended questions that we ask freely. Got it? Without limitations. So these all are the types of questions, different questions. So now we are moving toward an activity. What you have to do, yes my dear teacher, you have to divide class in groups and each group will make 5 questions based on factual, interpretive and inferential type. 3 types of questions students will make. After that, one group will ask question and other will respond it. Likewise, all groups will perform it in turns. Okay, 3 type of questions you have to ask while reading this chapter that we have read. Okay, so pause the video my dear teacher and get this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back. Good job my dear students. Excellent work. I hope you have got and now you know that how we can make factual, interpretive and inferential questions. So yes, open book page number 89. What you have to do? You have to do in question number 1, part D and E and question number 3 on your book. Choose the correct word. So my dear teacher, this is an individual activity and you have to get this individual activity from your students in your class. Pause the video and perform this activity individually in your class. Welcome back. Excellent job my dear students. Good job. I hope you have done it and now you are so clear that how you can respond different questions. So what's your homework? In homework you have to write question number 2 on book page number 89 in your notebooks. Okay, there is a question number 2 on your book, page number 89, that you have to note down in your notebooks. Yes, my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given. You should get it and provide it to your students, and they will get that how they can find inferential question and how they will answer these questions. Okay, so what we have learned today we learned about different types of questions to comprehend the text, i.e. factual, interpretive, inferential, personal response and open-ended, and in this way we have covered up our this SLO. So my dear students, I hope today you have got that how many types of questions are there and how we can get and how we can recognize that which type of question is being asked to us and how we can respond. So I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed. Tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.